How do you turn grid lines on your Android phone camera? And why would you want to do that in the first place? Well, the first thing's really easy. Turning on grid lines on your phone camera. So all you do is go into the native camera app on your Android phone. At the top of that app, there is a little cog. Click on that cog and that takes you into settings. In settings, scroll down until you can see the setting that says grid, and then you can toggle grid on or off. And what that does, it places the rule of thirds grid on your screen when you're taking a photo. And the rule of thirds grid is 4 horizontal lines that dissect each other equally. Why would you want those 4 horizontal lines on your phone camera screen? Well, there's a few good reasons for having them. Firstly, it helps to make your photo a much more pleasing image. If you had a photo of something in the center every time you took your picture, the viewer who's looking at that photo looks at your subject in the middle of your screen, and then subconsciously they're having to decide whether they go left of your image or right of your image. Either way they go, they're going to look left or right, and they're going to go off of your image onto another one. If you placed your subject on one of those third lines, when your viewer looks at your picture, they look at the subject on one of the thirds, and eventually their eyes are migrated towards the other third, the other part of the image that's dissected by those lines. Or if you have something else of interest in your image at that point, it doesn't have to be as strong or vibrant as something else to balance your image, then your viewer will likely look at that part of your image and come back to your original subject, and they stay on your picture much longer. And that's one of the good things about having the rule of thirds grid on your for your images. Now, another helpful thing is that if you're using your phone to take landscape shots, you can use that thirds grid to show you a good place where your foreground, midground and background of your image is. And then finally, what it also provides is, if you don't have a spirit level for leveling up your phone, you could use the rule of thirds to try to get the horizon in your shot, get a good idea of the level of your image. So there you have it in a nutshell. It's really, really simple to turn on the grid on your Android camera phone. And there's a few nice little reasons why you would want that on. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Once again, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.